These are just some ideas for how to work with your children with sensory bins. Take a look. Hey guys, so I'm glad you're here and I hope you can find a way to engage your children with multiple senses. So I want to talk to you about sensory bins and why it's important to use them with your child. I absolutely love them. I always use them with my students and I use them with my own child now. So sensory bins are awesome because they are a great way to do something super messy and include as many senses as you want to. Yes, you can even include eating in these. I don't normally just because it's so messy. But in a more contained environment, the only rules with sensory bins are nothing goes in your body, like in your nose, in your mouth, in your ears, and nothing leaves the bin. When they're playing with everything, it has to be in the bin. But aside from that, these are amazing because it's a child-directed multisensory experience. So I know I keep saying multisensory, multisensory. So let me explain to you what I mean by that. So you're going to be putting things in here that they can hear. They can hear beans moving around and things like that. Or maybe you can talk about the sounds that the vocabulary you're targeting on makes in the box. That they can smell. Sometimes there are scented sands and things like that that you can work with. Lots of different scents. If you want to add food, taste, and definitely what they can see, seeing and feeling. Those are the primary components of these. So feeling, I like to use things of all different media. So different textures, whether it's squishy Poms and soft Poms. You can go to your craft supplies, you can get feathers, hard wooden toys, beans, sand, things they can really dig into. So they're gonna love having these. They're so much fun. They really engage the kids. And they're an awesome way to introduce or enforce learn vocabulary. So you can pop new things in there that have to do with the topic. Whether you're working on farm animals, check out my bin. I have made one and I have a video for exactly how you can do this. Or you can use things around the house. You could do colors. Again, colors are awesome because you can just grab something of the same color or many different colors and shove it all in the box. You can look at jungle animals, tools, anything your kid's into. So these are awesome. I'm going to be creating bins with you guys for farm animals, jungle animals, and ocean animals. We're working on these vocabulary. I also think there are a lot of awesome books to go with these, so I'll be sharing those with you as well. And I hope you guys take a look at those. But some other great benefits to using sensory bins are they really can help calm your children down. If your child is on the verge of a meltdown, jump in there, get out the sensory box, and let them kind of remove their mind and get into something different. I think it'll really help them out. So I talked to you guys too about how you can really focus on doing independent play with this. So extending their attention and focusing on letting them have control of everything. Another thing you can do is jump in there as the parent and work with them. It's a great way to ask open-ended questions like, how does that feel? Or what do we use this for? What do you see in the box? Can we dig in the sand and see what we can find? What did you find? Tell me about what you found. So a lot of different ways to direct them, or you can do something where you just talk through what you're doing. Like I have kidney beans or pinto beans and a wooden tractor toy. I run through and I call it dirt. Watch the dirt go up on the sides. Boom, 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 over the wheels. There goes the dirt. And then he copies what I do and says dirt. And he learns new things. So ways to interact with the different toys. But another great thing that your child is learning is these are building fine motor skills. Whenever they're doing shovel and grabbing these things and manipulating, it's helping build those skills. Helps with language development and cognition. Some early life skills, maybe even early math. You can put an ice cube tray in there and have them transfer things over with a measuring cup and learn about capacity. There are tons of different elements to why you have to do this today. But if you need help, if you have questions, take a look at my videos for how I created my bins. It could be bins, bags, bottles, however works for you. For younger kids, you may start with a bin and decide that there's stuff everywhere. They're not following the rules of not eating things or rules of not taking things out of the bin. And you may want to put it into a big gallon Ziploc bag where they can still interact, but it's a little bit more contained. Or you can do some fun water things. Save an old pickle jar and put your jungle stuff in there and shake it up with green dyed water. So really think about what will engage your child most, and what won't be quite as messy for mom. But again, ask questions, let me know what you want to do, and I'll try to help you create the perfect box for you. Take a look at my boxes and then some of the books I recommend to go with it to enforce that learning. So I hope you like this, and I look forward to seeing your boxes. If you can, comment down below and show me pictures of your boxes. I cannot wait to see. I'll see you soon. Bye.